I didn't expect a random YouTube video to completely change how we do family dinner, but it did. I clicked on one simple chicken recipe, and after just one bite, my whole family looked at me like I was a genius. I added my own twist. Juicy marinated chicken thighs, roasted garlic butter potatoes, cheesy garlic bread bites, a homemade creamy garlic Dijon sauce that brings everything together, and even a fresh cucumber mint lemonade on the side. Now we make this every single weekend, and every time, it disappears in minutes. This isn't just a quick and easy chicken recipe. It's the kind of full dinner that feels like a warm hug at the end of the week. Satisfying, flavorful, and unbelievably simple. And yes, we're even finishing it off with a light strawberry whipped dessert you can throw together in 2 minutes. So stick with me, you're getting the full dinner experience today. And before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who loves a cozy, crowd-pleasing meal as much as you do. Let's start with the star of the show. The chicken. Juicy, golden, full of flavor, and so easy you can make it in your sleep. Grab 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or breasts if that's what you have on hand. Pat them dry with paper towels so the marinade sticks and the edges get beautifully seared. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, a pinch of chili flakes for gentle heat, the juice of 1 lemon, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk until it smells so good you almost want to taste it. Pour the marinade over the chicken, making sure every piece is coated. Let it sit for 30 minutes if you can. If you've got time to marinate overnight, even better. And here's a make-ahead tip. Freeze the chicken in the marinade and defrost the night before cooking. Instant dinner. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and sear the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden, crisp, and cooked through. Or bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes if you prefer a hands-off method. And for extra crisp edges, broil it for the last 2 minutes. The smell in your kitchen right now. Absolute magic. Now here's where we take this meal from great to unforgettable. The sauce. That pan you just cooked the chicken in. Don't clean it. That's pure flavor sitting right there. Drop in a tablespoon of butter and let it melt into the golden bits left behind. Toss in 1 finely chopped shallot, or half a red onion if that's what you have, and let it gently sauté until soft and translucent. Once the onion is tender and sweet, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir it just until the fragrance rises, about 30 seconds. Now pour in half a cup of chicken broth, and as it bubbles, gently scrape the bottom of the pan with a wooden spoon to lift up all those delicious caramelized bits. Let that reduce just slightly, then stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. If you want a little brightness, squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. Stir slowly until the sauce becomes creamy, velvety, and glossy, like something you'd get at a fancy little restaurant, but easier and faster than takeout. This creamy garlic Dijon pan sauce. It's absolutely divine, drizzled over the juicy chicken, soaked up with a bite of cheesy bread, or spooned onto those crispy garlic potatoes. It's rich, tangy, just garlicky enough, and brings everything together with comforting elegance. While that's going, let's knock out the side dish that's going to compete for the spotlight. Garlic butter roasted baby potatoes. Slice 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes in half and place them on a baking tray. Mix together 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 minced garlic cloves, a teaspoon of rosemary or thyme, salt and pepper. Drizzle over the potatoes and toss to coat. Roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway for that golden crispness on all sides. Once they're done, sprinkle with chopped parsley and try not to eat them all before dinner. Now if you've got kids asking, is dinner ready yet? We need a quick snack to hold them over. My go-to, cheesy garlic bread bites. Take a baguette or soft dinner rolls, slice them, and mix 2 tablespoons softened butter with a teaspoon of garlic powder. Spread on the bread, sprinkle on mozzarella, and pop into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes until bubbling and golden. Serve them warm on a napkin-lined plate and just watch them disappear. If you're enjoying this full dinner idea so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps more people find these easy, delicious recipes. Now let's refresh everything with the drink. A cucumber mint lemonade that feels like a spa day in a glass. Peel and chop 1 cucumber, juice 3 lemons, and blend with 2 tablespoons honey, a few fresh mint leaves, and 1 cup of cold water. Blend it all until smooth, strain if you like, then stir in 2 more cups of cold water. Pour over ice and garnish with lemon slices and mint. This drink brings everything together. It's light, hydrating, and just the right amount of sweet. Presentation matters, even on a weeknight. So here's how I played it. Lay your juicy chicken thighs in the center of a large platter. Slice 1 or 2 slightly on the diagonal to show off that juicy interior. Surround them with the golden roasted potatoes. Drizzle creamy garlic Dijon sauce over the chicken, and spoon the sauce in a small bowl beside the dinner plate. Add a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a burst of green. Serve the cheesy garlic bread in a basket. Pour the cucumber mint lemonade into clear mason jars with lemon wheels and mint sprigs floating on top. It's dinner, but it feels like a little celebration. And dessert. I keep it simple but fun. Fresh strawberries topped with whipped cream and a sprinkle of crushed graham crackers or shortbread cookies. It takes 2 minutes and makes the kids think you planned a whole event. Want a few pro tips? Add a splash of balsamic vinegar to the marinade for a rich depth. Swap potatoes with mashed cauliflower or a quinoa salad for a lighter option. Shred leftover chicken and use in wraps, tacos, or salads the next day. Total time saver. Store any leftovers in airtight containers. Chicken keeps 3 days in the fridge, potatoes too, and the lemonade tastes great even on day 2. Just stir before serving. This meal is nourishing, filling, and made with whole ingredients. Protein from the chicken, fiber and potassium from the potatoes, and natural hydration from the cucumber drink. All with no complicated prep or expensive ingredients. So tell me, what's your ultimate go-to family dinner? Share it in the comments below. I'm always looking for the next amazing recipe to fall in love with. And there you have it, the easy chicken recipe I found on YouTube that became our favorite family dinner. It's fast, full of flavor, and perfect for busy nights or lazy weekends alike. If this inspired your next meal, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who's tired of asking, what should we make for dinner? Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next one.